Hi everyone, I just bought this pack of 60 alcohol markers and I cannot wait to try them out. I've been using colouring pencils for all my colouring books, but now I'm ready to try these alcohol markers. I love that they come in this portable pouch so I can take them anywhere and they're so easy to pack away. I actually thought I'd bought the brush pen and then discovered that I got this double-sided one with just a regular marker and then the chisel. So it's okay, not quite what I expected, but I think I'm still going to have lots of fun. I love that they come with an information booklet and also this swatching card. So we are going to have some fun swatching the colours. So I'm going to get started with all the yellows. There's also a nifty bleed through protector in the back. Some of these colours I'm not so sure about, but I'm just loving just going through them all and testing them out, because actually the colours on the caps are a little bit different to what you're seeing when you start swatching them. So this swatching card is going to be so useful when I come to do my colouring in. I can refer to the swatching card and then I can choose the perfect colour that I want to use in my colouring book. And one of the things I'm really excited to try out is some blending techniques. So I'm already seeing some of these greens that can blend really well together and I cannot wait to try them out. So have you used these alcohol markers before? I would love to know if you have and what you think about them. And I'm going to get colouring in the next couple of days and I can't wait to use them all.